If you're bad, I am dad. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. To another cringe video. So, yeah, it's lockdown. I thought you should not close the windows and you won't have sound. But it's going a really wrong way. Wrong way. So let's start. Okay. No, this few things don't make really proper sense. This is one of the stupidest things people can make. If he is so much close to his friend, just a minute. If he's so much close to his friend, he can beat them up and said he's beating himself. No, what different people would hit hardly, and this guy will hit himself softly. I think this is somebody hitting. This is himself hitting, and it's called friendship. Modern friendship. Wow, wow, क्या बात है? Next TikTok. The songs are one of the hopeless things I ever found. Like, instead of saying cringe for TikTok, you can say stupidest thing ever possible, which does not make any sense. I understand that you can't find such girls now, but so just a second. Wait a second, So, this guy himself is telling that he's so handsome that he's compared to the statue over there, whatever you call that thing. He looks similar to that. Then that guy is not a human, I think. He's not. No words. Okay, he's being thug life. Just a second. He's being thug life, but a big thing he can't see in front of him that there are 4 people standing and he's doing thug life, and later what is the consequence? He didn't know. Like, that is the reality, but like on TikTok people do something like this which is called cringe. Cringe. Really cringe. Okay. No, why will people even, like, they can actually pity people who are sitting down, and one of those beggars who come in KTM and who is wearing boots, torn jeans and all these stuff. Wait a second. Obviously somebody who has torn clothes, that doesn't mean you buy torn jeans, and sitting in the road. What do you think I would have done is I would have told Sale, common sense. You have all this. Why are you sitting in the road? Bye. Indian TikTokers are one of the hopeless people ever found on earth. If you can't find anybody else more cringe, just open TikTok app. Please don't download the app. Open YouTube and search for cringe compilation. So I'm doing this because I never installed TikTok on my phone, because you become cringe. No, why? Okay, so this is a thing that is not at all possible in India. So this guy is gonna try this in road. Yeah, that is what will happen to him. So this is one of the hopeless things ever. Just see what we'll do. Randomly the song comes up, the Joker thing, and he's just coming there and doing, and everybody can do that, and everybody are behind him. He's not the real. No, why is this guy even like? So this don't think is this guy is Nanu a bacha. He looks very 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 young. He looks like a nerd. But the reality is he is one of those stupid peoples on earth who are trying to copy Joker. Yes, let's see. Did you see his face? That looks ugly. He is not a nerd. Okay. This happens in TikTok, only in TikTok. Somebody snatches your bag and instead of running, you're like, hello? कोई तो मेरा बैग चुरा लिया. Look at his hair. Brush. They have brushes on their head. So first things first, let's skip this. This is lame shit. Why should he only do that? So guys, hope you like, because you know it became short circuit and my camera is wet now. Don't do this at home, literally. So this is the first episode I could shoot right now. So if you've enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe. I'm not forcing you to hit the like button. I'm just telling you, if you liked it, please hit the like button, because it takes a lot of effort. I don't know what is going to happen, so shock na lag jaye bhai. So that's all about this short episode. See you back in second, because you can't watch so much TikTok now, and already I am in that stage, that critical stage, and if I continue watching, so let's see in the next episode. Bye bye.